Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a denied business line of credit in Bluevine. Now let's first start with the first step, which is to log in at dashboard.bluevine.com and then tap on the line of credit and then go to application. Now the red banner shows the exact reason. So this one is usually credit history, insufficient revenue, or time in business. So tap on download letter for the full adverse action notice. So you will need to fix the issue. Next is check your FICO, revenue, and time in business. So open the application details. The Bluevine requires a FICO of 625 plus at least 10,000 month in business revenue and 12 plus months in business. So if your FICO is below 625, dispute inaccuracies at annualcreditreport.com before reapplying. Next is upload a missing financial documents. So go to the documents and upload 3 months of business bank statements, so your latest business tax return, and a current profit and loss statement. So missing documents are the fastest denial fix. Now most reapplication approved within 48 hours once complete. Next is reapply after 90 days. So Bluevine requires a 90-day waiting period after a denial. Now on day 90 plus, click on reapply for line of credit and re-enter your legal business name, EIN industry, structure, or the LLC or corp, and the requested amount. Now ask for a realistic limit, so that's usually 10% of annual revenue. Lastly is get approved, so you will see a green check mark, approved for 50,000 line of credit with your interest rate, typically 8 to 15% APR, and draw period. So tap on accept offer and view my line. Now the funds are available to draw immediately, same day to your Bluevine checking account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!